Hello, good day everyone. My name is Felix and I welcome us to this tutorial. Today we'll be learning on the whiteboard animation. Is that okay? So we'll be going straight to the interface, that's the platform where we'll be doing our design. We do our cartoonations and also have our own characters done. So there is a particular website we'll be visiting which is called the renderforest.com. Renderforest. I'll be using my Google Chrome. Use your Google Chrome, launch the Google Chrome, and then we visit the website. Okay, so you just come, you type, let me just add a page. Alright, so you type renderforest.com. R E N, this is it. So it's renderforest.com. renderforest.com. So once you type that, you just hit the go button. And if you are visiting renderforest for the first time, you need to create an account. You sign up with your own email address. Once you sign up with your email address, so this is it. So already I have an account with renderforest, so there will no need for me to sign up again. So all you need to do is you just go straight. So you just click on get started. If you are a new user, you click on get started and then you sign up. But now I'm not a free user. After you must have signed up, the next thing is for you to come into where you do your cartoonation. So if you look at from the top right corner, you see two stripes. Is that okay? So you just click on those two stripes. Once you click on it, you see it came up with some drop downs. You see make logo. So with renderforest you can even create logo, you create video, edit mockup, build website, design graphics, pricing line, and then you do that. So you see this is my name, Felix John, which means I have an account already with renderforest. So once you create your account, you also see your name will appear once we do that. So is that okay? So what we'll be doing here is I will be showing us how we create a video. So you come down to this explore, you see there is a caret, right? You call this, that arrow down, you click on the caret, so it will open for you other options that you also select. So this is the explore. So I'll be clicking on video animation because I'm doing a video animation. Just click on video animation. Now as it opens, make sure you have, if you're doing any cartoonation, especially in renderforest, your characters that you are using, make sure you know what you are doing. That okay? You say, so you create an animated video. Like I said, you make sure you have your scripts. Make sure you have your script. I will repeat this on and on. It is your script that will help you do a very wonderful video, your character and then whatever story you are creating. What I mean by script is the story you are creating. Make sure you have a story. Make sure you have your story. Make sure you have your own script. We call it scripts. So you have your own scripts that you use to create your own cartoonation. Is that okay? So this is the process. Yeah, so you just click on create animated video. So as it's opening, so we have a lot of things, especially in renderforest. You do a lot of things in renderforest. You do logo, video intro, whiteboard animation, and so many things. So you see a lot of cartoonation, more like an avatar, that of your choice, depending on the one you wish. Now this is the first one. You see animated explainer for every industry. This is for explainer 3D. We have trendy explainer toolkit. This is the whiteboard animation that we'll be doing. You see we have explainer video toolkit. Just click on deny when this thing comes up. Click on create now. You click on create now. So you wait for it to load. It loads, it's loading. So there are different scenes. So now these are when you come to this particular interface, you just click on add scenes. Don't click load preset or type your scripts. Maybe I will explain the other two later, but you just go to add scenes. You just click on add. The essence of clicking on add scenes is so that you will be the one that you'll be adding your scenes. You'll be the one that will be adding your scenes. But if you click on the last one that is there, you have to be the render forest will be the one that will be adding your scenes based on your full stop once you have a full stop in your script. So now, like I always says, make sure you always have your script to every animated video you want to do. So these are different scenes depending on what you wish to go for. If there are any other scenes you are looking for you didn't find here, what you do is just come to this search interface, search field. You just type into the script, the scenes you are looking for. So for instance, let me say friends. Let me just type friends. It will search for friends. Let me search for it. You see it will display friends, maybe shaking hands or doing one or two things like this. Now you see this is somebody that is relaxing. Now you see this is friends. You see, for some of you that have seen some of my videos, I have used some of these things. So now let me start with this. Let me start with this one. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you want to insert it to your page. So you click on insert. Once you click on insert, so it will bring you to where you type in your script. Now it's opening. So it will bring the interface where you type in your scripts. Once you type your scripts, then you go back and you add other scenes. So you just be adding different scenes. So this is it. It says add text, right? So just click on it. It says, for instance, let me just add my text now. It says, hello friends, how are you? How are you doing? Just save and close. Is that okay? So then you click on the plus button from the down. You want to add another scene. You see, so this are another scenes. You see, so you just click on, let me just click on this one that is here. So let me add it, insert. You see, so you just type your scene now. All right, now one of them I've asked a question. So it says, hi, Michael, we are doing great. Save and close. You see, so you add another scene. Then what was you wish to add another scene? Yeah, so it says, let me use this one. You see, I'm creating my own story now. So you type, make sure you type where it says type your text here. It says, all right, Michael is continuing, right? He's continuing with the discussion. He asked him, so it says, have you heard of Felju's graphics multimedia? So Mr. Michael is asking them, save and close. Then what next? The friends will reply, right? You see, I'm creating my own story. Like I say, make sure you have your own story to create. No, if it's not okay for you, if you select any scene and it's not okay for you, you can reselect it back. Just come and search. Let me go on with this. Let me select it again. So I've selected it. So I will type it here. So they'll continue. No. Would you please tell us about it? So you save and close. Once you save and close, you add another scene. So let me search for another scene. Just come to your search button. Let me search for, let me say podium. A man standing in podium. You see it. Like I say, whatsoever you are looking for, just search for it. You see somebody is like giving a lecture. So let me just use this one now. See somebody like he's actually on a podium. So just okay. So you see, this is how you create your own story. This is how you create your own story. You create your own story, and once you've created your own story, all you need to do is you after you must have done creating your own story, then you just go, and if you wish you can add other audio to it from here, or you just take it to maybe your other application, and then you add your own audio to it. So you write, continue with your own script. Just continue with your own story. Let me see, let me bring out my keyboard. So this is it. So you write, Feljo graphics multimedia is an online as well as offline. Look how I'm breaking my story. Feljo graphics multimedia is an online as well as offline. Just save it. Save it. Then you add another scene. The reason why I'm saving and adding another scene is so that it will not filled up the space with the text so that people can, because it reads some seconds when the scene appears is in seconds, so that I will just have a very short text so that people can see it and also read it on time. So let me add this in. Select, you insert, so here is an online as well as offline, right? Okay, let me bring out my keyboard. Graphics class that teaches skills such as, now look, I will save it. Look, you see how I'm breaking my story, right? I'm breaking the story so that it will not consume much space. I want the text to be just short so that people can be able to read it once it actually appears. Let me search for another scene. Let me search for laptop. I'm searching for another scene. So I want to list out the scale. Alright, you see there are different styles of laptop, you see. So which one am I going to choose? Let me see. Let me use the first one. Select it, then you click on insert. Insert. So I want to list out the skills. So I want to list out the skills. Once you select it, select, insert, so this is it. So you just click on, bring out your keyboard also, just bring out the keyboard. Alright, what are they? We have blog design, we have whiteboard animation, we have graphics design, we have forex trading, we have video subtitling, we have, you know, so the more you write your text, the more it consumes space. So that is why most of the time I used to break it up. So you see, you can write as much as you can. So that is advisably you break your whatever the list you have. So I have blog design, whiteboard animation, graphics design, forex. Let me just cut it from this forex to video subtitling. Cut, save and close so that it can be readable. So it's loading. So it has loaded. Add, click on the plus button, click on the, so now look at it. You see what this one entails is, you at a time you can only have like about number of, let me see, how many scenes do I have? Let me see the scenes. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me uncheck this. Let me uncheck this. It has added automatically. So uncheck this. So I might not show us everything, is that okay? So once you're done with your video, you know, all the scenes, I want to show us how we can just add audio to it and then we save our work. So if you are done with it like this, so all you need to do is you just click on this from the top hand corner from your right. You see the second icon is there, you see a sign of music, right? Just click on it. You click on it. So we want to add, you know, an audio to our video. So you scroll down, it says add music. Click on add music. Just come and click on add music. So these are the music that we have from renderforest. You select the one you wish, just click on one, then you listen to the one that is suits you. Is this one okay? How about this one? Go to the next. Go to the next. Go to the next. Depending on the one that suits your own hearing, is that okay? So I think let me just go with the second one. I'm going with the second. Just click on this plus button from the right. You just click on the plus button. Once you click on that, next is just for you to save your work. So just just click on the next icon after the music. Just click on the next icon after the music from the right. Yeah, so you click on preview so that it will add your scenes together with your audio. It will add your scenes together with your audio, and then you can download it to your phone gallery, and that is all. So it's now exporting. Is that okay? So once it finishes exporting, you can go to your gallery and then you see your video in your gallery. So this is how you do your video animation. Is that okay? Very easy, straightforward, without any other hitch. So like I said, renderforest is one of the best sites I have ever came across for the